In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase font size in Notion, all within just 5 minutes. If you've been using Notion as a key tool for organizing your thoughts, projects, or teams, you might have found yourself squinting at your screen every now and then. Luckily, adjusting the font size in Notion is straightforward, and with a few simple tweaks, you can improve your readability and visual comfort seamlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, let's begin by adjusting the general text size settings. Head over to any Notion page you have open and take a look at the top right corner. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often referred to as the options or menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a menu that controls several display options. Next up, look for the toggle labeled Small Text. By default, this might be turned on, giving your Notion page a compact look, which might be beautiful for minimalism, but not great if you prefer larger text. Simply toggle this option off. By doing so, your Notion page's overall text size will immediately increase, providing a clearer, more readable layout. Moving on, another option to enhance your viewing experience in Notion is to adjust the page width. While you're still in that menu, find and toggle the setting for full width to the on position. What this does is expand your content to take up more horizontal space on your screen. This isn't about directly changing the font size, but about optimizing how the text flows across the page, making it easier to follow and ultimately giving an impression of larger text. Another useful tip is to utilize headings to create a visual hierarchy and increase text size for key sections. Notion supports several heading styles, Heading 1, Heading 2, and Heading 3, with each offering progressively smaller sizes. Simply type a /, then heading, and make your selection. This helps break up content and highlights important sections with larger text, which can be very effective for capturing attention. Finally, don't overlook the power of using various block types like quote or toggle blocks. Both these blocks format the text differently and can naturally increase the font size or draw attention to the content. For quotes, you can achieve a subtle yet significant emphasis on key statements, while toggle blocks allow you to hide detailed information under a larger, more noticeable summary line. And there you have it, a handy set of adjustments you can make in Notion to increase font size and improve your reading experience. By following these steps, you'll have a more visually appealing, user-friendly Notion workspace that enhances both your productivity and comfort. Happy organizing!